This was the update made to Elementor Pro plugin. Release on November 1st, 2023. Elementor Pro, version 3.17.1, website builder for WordPress. This is an important update to the WordPress plugin that will help improve the security of your website. Modified control sanitization to enforce better security policies in code highlight, form, Lottie, price list, and video playlist widgets. Control sanitization is the process of cleaning the data that users enter into WordPress widgets. This is important to prevent malicious users from entering malicious code or dangerous data into your website. Join our VIP group on Telegram for more news. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.